Okay, now I'm going to show you how to open an emulator instance in memu emulator. So before we go to the memu emulator, you have to be here on the desktop space of the remote cloud server, and now you have to be running this software called Proxyfire. Here it is. And you have to make sure that proxy is connected, and you have to make sure that the proxy is working. On how to connect the proxies, there's another video. Okay, now you click here and you wait until this progress bar comes to an end, and you must see some green message, some green text like here, test passed. Okay, proxy is ready to work with Proxyfire. Cool. We click OK, and just minimize this window. And now we go to the search bar and we type multi-memu. That's what we're looking for. This is the application. We click multi-memu, and now let's say you want to open an emulator index 92. Usually you will have like a list of emulators that you are interested in, since each account is living individually on a separate emulator. Okay, now there is this emulator. Here's the column, index column, and here you can find which emulator corresponds to which emulator index. And here we have the emulator index number 92, and let's say I want to launch this one. So I just click start over here and it launches this window which says memu play mother 92. So this is the emulator index number, and you wait until this, again, progress bar comes to an end at the point where you will see applications over here. Okay, this is how the emulator looks. You will also find that some traffic has started flowing through Proxyfire. You can see the chart over here, and you can see some messages: bytes sent, bytes received, sent, close, bytes spent, sent. This means that the connection and the traffic is flowing and the emulator is working fine. In this particular case, you see I cannot find the window of the emulator anymore. It means that it crashed, so I have to relaunch it again. So once again I click start. This happens sometimes. I don't know why sometimes the emulator crashes, but in most cases that doesn't happen. So usually you will be just fine after just clicking the start button and waiting until you can see all the applications. So this is how to launch the emulator instance. And thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel and join our chat.